So for my web pages, I decided to use 4 images. I used this image of a hippo, a giraffe, a lion, and the landscape of Africa. And these images are pretty large. As you can see here, it's about 1,000 pixels wide, 600 pixels tall. So I had to crop them to be 200 by 200. So using Pixlr, I wanted to capture the main focus. So here I decided to crop out the hippo's face, the giraffe's neck and face, the lion's face, and I just picked a nice looking area of the African landscape. And then after that, I just put them into my website.